So in this question, you actually have a few options of which way you want to go. If you first realize that 3/15 can be reduced down to 1/5, then you have to find a number between 1/5 and 2/5. Which, I guess you could pick 1.5/5, but that doesn't really work out, does it? So your second option, and your better option and easier option, is to realize that if you multiplied the second by 3, you'll actually get 3/15 by 6/15, which is much easier to find a number because now you can pick 4/15 or 5/15 as your number between, because both of those are between 3/15 and 2/5.